Welcome to New Age Enclosures, the leading designer of off-the-shelf enclosures for smaller electronics. This video highlights our customization processes and the quickest steps to get a free quote. Having New Age make alterations to make the enclosure market ready is the best choice. As the manufacturer, we know the cases better than anyone, and we are fast and affordable. Our services include CNC machining, pad print decorating, RF and EMI shielding, unlimited colors, assembly, testing, and custom enclosures. CNC machining stands for Computer Numerical Control. This controlled method of cutting provides precise openings every time. It is the best low-cost method for lower quantities. Pad print decorating is the method in which a golf ball is printed. New Age offers this same high-quality printing process for your logo and graphics. RF and EMI shielding is an option many designers may think is unavailable unless they use a metal enclosure. New Age solves shielding requirements with a copper-infused paint. This highly specialized coating can be applied to the inside of your enclosures. New Age also offers an unlimited choice in colors. From opaque to semi-transparent, we can match any swatch or PMS color callout. Or if you prefer a completely custom enclosure, our designers can create any shape or size needed to fit your requirements. Last in the development process, we provide assembly and testing services. You can have your PCBs delivered directly to New Age, and we carefully install them into the enclosure and run basic validation tests. To get a free estimate for these services, email an engineering print in PDF format, email a CAD model in step format, or send a physical sample of your PCB. For customers without in-house design capabilities, you may download a drawing for each enclosure. On the last page, simply illustrate the size and location of the cutouts or artwork you need. From that markup, your New Age representative will be able to generate a quick quote. And by quick, we mean days, not weeks. To make the quote process even quicker, use the Request a Quote option on our website. New Age performs all jobs, large and small, with ISO registered quality. Our quality system is certified to the stringent aerospace standard. We look forward to putting our quality-backed service to work for you. For additional information on our company or to view additional videos, please visit our website at newageenclosures.com or phone us directly.